Well, hello there, everybody. I am Sam, and this is
Jose.
And we are welcome to Sam Jose. Today we are south of Clermont, Florida, here at the Showcase of Citrus, one of these really great tourist attractions here in Central Florida. We are getting out and about. It is the time of COVID. We've got our masks, as I cover up Jose with my cow mask. But we're out and we're exploring Florida in a common sense way. So we're not gonna be hitting the big attractions yet as far as the theme parks, but we wanted to get out and just see what some of these smaller attractions are doing to keep the guests safe and healthy and out there. So Showcase of Citrus, here we go. Let's take a look at what they've got. I don't know why you're teasing me. We're not even on camera for me to show it as proof of you teasing me. I love that you're filming me on the GoPro. So we have a little a mimosa here. We're enjoying here at Showcase of Citrus. And we are going to be doing one of their large vehicle tours. I think they're converted buses. So we'll see the orange groves. It's not an orange. Orange groves. One of the things I love about these side of the road attractions is that they're very unique to the state that you're in or the location. And this as far as being in the country of real Florida, it's very country. So we've got the outside seating, we've got the outdoor bar. It's a little bit of bohemian tiki mixed with country chic. It's interesting. And of course it's a mimosa in a place where they harvest oranges for orange juice. Yep.
Alright guys, just like anything else in Florida, the rain will always come. We did it! What'd you think, Sam?
It was cool. I mean, it was simple, straightforward what it is. The orange groves, the cows, what you get to see. But it is what it is. I mean, it's fun.
Okay guys, so welcome to Showcase. I'm going to introduce you the owner from the farm. Over there we have Mr. John. He has a 4 kids. This is the third generation farm. Mrs. Sarah, let me introduce you.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Sam and Jose, the
Hi,
managers
nice
at
to meet
Lake
you.
Ridge. First time in here.
Well, welcome.
They want to know more about the family business, so I was going to give you a small review. They're doing the tour at 2 o'clock.
Oh, good. Okay. Yeah, we are. This is the family. I'm usually wearing the cowboy hat, but not today, it's too hot. And the property started Kathy. So in the red shed, that's John's dad. The patriarch's still around, and he started purchasing the property in the 1960s. As different parcels came up for sale, they bought more and more, and now we're up to about 2,500 acres.
Wow.
We are a working citrus and cattle ranch, and owner-operated kind of thing. The Showcase has actually been open for 30 years. So it's literally a 4th generation, but 3rd on site.
Nice.
Wow, beautiful.
Cool.
Everybody's still here. So, well, welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Enjoy, and if there's anything we can do for you, please let us know.
Perfect.
Absolutely.
We will.
Thank you so much.
Hey.
You know, even with the rain, it turned out to be a really fun experience, even with the rain. All right, so that has completed our visit to the Showcase of Citrus here in Clermont, Florida, or just south of Clermont on Highway 27. Very interesting experience and a lot of fun. I really liked the tour, actually.
I mean, it was a lot of fun. It's very Florida, so don't expect anything like the theme parks or anything like that. If you want something way different than what you're used to in the tourist industry, this is it.
This is very unique in that it is very Florida. You've got the Showcase of Citrus, which is the citrus plants. You've got the great, all the other fruit and whatnot that they've got here. You've got the animals. Just a lot of really great stuff to look at and play around with and enjoy. So enjoy it here at Showcase of Citrus.